Hey y'all, so I ordered my dog Winter this playpen mat from Shein. It was like $10. I got this fake grass from Shein. It was like $7. I got this bowl from Shein, and I got this play shoe from Shein. I thought this was so cute. They love to chew up my shoes. This from her bed. Y'all will see that on my trip stuff, probably the trip prep vlog. And I'm putting together these shoe organizers right now. So I have a bunch of put up. So I guess I'll show y'all my closet before. I have all them sandals up there, my coats, jackets, and all these shoes right here. Y'all, my mom got me this pillow. It's so cute. Married at First Sight. This is season 11, New Orleans, and it's so good. So y'all, my trip is 4 days into check-in. I wasn't even about to get it, but I said I'm gonna treat myself for my birthday. I've been wanting this one so bad, y'all.
Winter girl. Winter. Stop. No. Stop it. That was a waste of money. 3 little Frenchies sitting in the pen. My shein cart just came in for my birthday. I'm so happy. Still believe in good days. Sunny inside, good days in my mind. Gotta get right, trying to free my mind before the end of the world. I don't miss no ex, I don't miss no text. They choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend shit never happened. Half of us laying waste to our youth. It's in the present.
So my sister helping me pick my stuff together. We are all done organizing my closet. Got the heel down here. Got my underwear, socks, sandals, shoes. Got some boots right there. My jacket. I got some slides, more shoes. Looks so much better, y'all. Now we about to go to Blue's friend. Nutella, double strawberries, all the nutrients except seeds. And my sister, she got the peanut butter swirl. So yeah, I just went to a beauty supply store. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. A new edge control brush. I got some new lip gloss. The butter NYX butter gloss in number 16. Brown lip liner, which I love. It comes with the sharpener, belly ring. So y'all, I went and got some hair today. Hey y'all, so my mom just did my hair and it is looking so cute. OMG, I love it. Thank you, Mom. I love it. This is my favorite hairstyle. Side part, curl. I have it in inches 18, 20, and 22. Yes. Quick. Just like the regular size lemonade. y'all, so I just did my makeup and I'm about to film a movie scene. I have one more movie scene left to do in my dad's movie. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. I still gotta put on my jewelry. Yeah, I'm about to go get my nails done.
I wanna coach you and get to know me. In the meantime, get some me time.
Con này nó chụp hình làm gì vậy ta? Nó về nó bill kìa nó hả? Nó chụp cái menu kìa.
But she don't love me, she too scary. I hope it's fun like Jackie Brown.
It's been a few hours, but it felt like days, felt like days, felt like days, felt like days, felt like days.
I came yesterday. I think it's 146. 146.
ghi cho bả, con lấy xong rồi con lấy cái giấy là bả đưa cho cô, con ghi bả vô bằng 2 người. Đừng chơi nha. Không phải.
We're about to get some travel stuff. I got my cart. Get one of these. You and my business don't do that.
That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, do no one know I'm beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flake can make him fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you.
Okay, first time looking alright. My sister tastes good. Y'all, this card is so cute. Alright, y'all, I found the birthday card from my mom. Ooh, that is so pretty and classy. Y'all, we came to Grwm Mall. Alright guys, I'm about to unbox my telfar bag. So let's see. It's my telfar bag. And we have the bag. Ooh, y'all. And it is packaged so cute. And here it is. My telfar bag. So cute. Right? How cute is this, y'all? Oh my goodness. So cute. Take off this wrapping. This is so cute. I'll try it on real quick. It's so cute. Gonna add this to my collection. I have my black right here. So cute. So y'all, this is the bag with the straps tucked. It's so cute. I love it so much, y'all. Oh y'all, my mom just gave me my birthday gift. It is so nice. Thank you so much, Mom. OMG. I had been asking her should I get these, and she convinced me not to get them, y'all, so she could get them. They're so cute, and they go right with my bathing suit I'm wearing on my birthday. I'm so happy. And then she also got me this Versace set. This is so cute, y'all. So cute. I love this. And then she got me this card. And she got me some balloons. These balloons, y'all. They say happy birthday. Oh. Y'all, these are so cute. So y'all got me some Popeyes strawberry lemonade, coleslaw mashed potatoes, and then it's my meal, 3-piece. And I want to try out this strawberry biscuit.
Y'all see that?
Y'all, this biscuit, it tastes so good. Oh my goodness.
Something about your hands on my body feels better than any man I ever been. Something about the way you just give me. Trying not, no, 'cause I can't forget. You got a feel and a soul that I need in my life. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and though we may grow, I don't know why we don't grow up.
Good morning, guys. I'm all packed and ready to go for my flight. Y'all see my bags in the back. We are starting off this birthday trip vlog to Cancun, Mexico. So first of all, shout out to my mom for doing my hair. And shout out to my girl Simone for doing my wax, my full body wax. I got my nails done at Cleopatra Nails. I got on this bodysuit from Shein. It is so comfortable. I just am really simple. Got on my slides. I'm gonna put on some socks when I get in the car. I'm about to call my Uber and head to the airport, y'all. I'm so excited. My flight leaves at 2 p.m. and it's like 10:30 right now. So yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. So my birthday falls on Memorial Day this year. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the airport.
Yeah, babe, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around.